So again, you can see how I was up on the roof. You don't want to be too far over. You're just basically, this one is backwards, but you're just basically going to be putting these lights on here, and this is how they're going to slide up underneath of there, and they're going to go just like so.
Win the first bracket, they get a prize for this. They win the second bracket, they get a prize for this. They win that third side, they get a prize, and so the winner wins a big prize, right? That friendly competition, that I've done that with my security side. Every year I see my production increase like crazy because of incentives. Or
I'm just going to take this clip and slide it up underneath there, underneath that shingle, and it's just going to sit there on the gutter guard, pointing up. We don't want to try to get underneath the shingle, come up 2 or 3 shingles, because again, where that tire is set, we've just screwed up those shingles. So some people I know will come up 2 or 3 layers and do it, and then you'll see all the way across the house where they've screwed up that shingle where they've done it. So I will just go right up underneath the shingle, so that way it sits right on the gutter guard, and that's just an easy way to do it there for the gutter guards.
hey kids, keep it down!
Hello? Hey there, how you doing today?
I'm good, man.
Hey, my name's Utter. I'm with Athens Christmas Lights, and I'm in the neighborhood giving out a couple of free quotes to people do Christmas light installations. And do you,
I will a lot of times, so yep, I know what you're talking about. So what I'll do is I'll start here, and then I'll just start clipping on the ridge clip back. And even though it's off a little bit from way down there at the road, you only see what you see, right? You're not going to be able to hardly, most of the time you're not even going to be able to see that they're jumping up like that. Because it's so far away, you can only see so far down, right? Because you're kind of...
RNs are going to be 100% perfect for you. They're just not. You're always going to find some kind of flaw with something in there. Tinsel's CRN worked really well for me because it was designed for Christmas lights only, basically. So I wasn't looking for a CRN that would handle my Christmas lights and my other security company, or you know, you guys have all got other businesses. I use this directly for that. So Tinsel it's $69 if you pay, $69 a month if you pay for a whole year in advance, or it's
The gutter guards, that's what we were just talking about. We're just going to put it right underneath the shingle. We're just going to clip it right up on this shingle. And then it'll be so this will be clipped on the shingle, and this will sit right on the gutter guard. And then the only other thing is I don't have in here is when we're dealing with trees. And I think there's a bush out here that maybe one of the breaks today or tomorrow we'll walk down there. And when we're doing trees, you want to do 2 different types of trees. The ones with leafless trees and the ones with evergreen trees. Evergreen trees, we want to keep them every 6 inches.
You know what I mean? Yeah, so how do you guys
More than that. And do 6-inch bulb spacing. If you have a leafless tree,
you're just going to cut this little section.
just one piece, yep, one snip.
they're like, holy crap, right? Imagine that. Imagine their faces. Imagine their hearts just melting from the warmth of the lights. Is that what you want?
I mean, yeah, it'd be pretty sweet. So what I'm asking, like, does this include the lights and bushes, the driveway and all that, or is that just the whole house?
Yeah, you gotta be tears now. This Hallmark is everything, right? That includes the bushes, the snowman.
No? You guys had it professionally done?
Yeah, pretty okay.
Okay. Do you guys plan on doing Christmas lights this year?
Oh yeah, I was
Okay. I just was wondering if you had a few seconds, maybe I could do a free quote for you guys and come up with
those kind of expensive?
well, we actually do a payment plan, so maybe that's something we can work out. Would that be something you're interested in? Maybe you can come outside and
Maybe. I don't know about that.
it don't want to take a second. Why don't you just come outside? We can,
Honestly, they're not really my thing. You know what? They just
But, so what are those things that you do? You know what I mean? Yeah, so how do you guys
Sure. Come on in here to my dinner table. Come on down to the table.
So, no, you're fine. So if I try to work my pole like this, I'm gonna be wore out. You're gonna be wore out anyway, but you're really gonna be wore out because I'm really fighting it. I'm using my muscles every which way and I'm not working the pole. If you do it right and you have your lights up there, I will literally be able to use my belt and one finger to be able to hold these lights up, even 24 feet up in the air.
It's also nice when you notice that stuff in landscaping too. When you bring that stuff up in landscaping, if people pay for some nice landscaping lights in landscaping, it's a good end to use that kind of thing. So awesome. All right, constructive. What do we got?
Them to come down a little bit, all I got to do is come in, and that's going to let them come in and then start putting them on there. Again, if you try to use this pole like this, you're going to be wore out.
Anything else? Let's give him some pros. You guys, he was super excited. You built emotion like crazy on that. So I thought that was really
Way better
cool.
than yesterday.
Yes, absolutely.
But if I try to fight this pole and I'm doing it like this, it's going to wear you out. Now, pole work sucks. I will tell you, if you don't know how to use a pole and you haven't done many trees,
You mind stepping out, kind of like what Tanya has on her, kind of see if you peek around over here, you see what she has on her.
Your home. Here's your home with lights on it in 3 different ways. Now we have this one here. This would be our silent night package. It's super simple.
They make the decision, then you put it in the databases. That's what they purchased from you. Okay, so you don't put it in as a proposed.
do it, and that's what you just kind of got to go after. So, again, it sucks for pole work, but
Let me hear some constructive criticism. Anything you got?
needs a little bit more excitement.
Okay.
A little more motion.
I think you should have paired the melody, like moving loud from
Yep.
Because you were very low.
Oh no, when he was standing like this.
Now we have the 3 different color options. We have the red and white, and then the blue. Out of those 3, what was something
Put
that?
that down for you. Objection. Yeah, I mean that was overcoming that objection, but you brought up another one for me. I'm like, what you mean payment plans? How much is this for me? You know what I mean? So
We'll throw it on the tab.
right. You'll have this paid off in 24 months. Okay, so let me set that all up for you. Now I've got it in the system. I'm done. Right now I'm finishing it up. As soon as I finish it up, then I go back through and I tell them, all right, so we're going to schedule that install for you. Are you more of a morning installation person?
Man, he changes colors on my TV all the time. We can hang maybe 4 or 5 of those up in the tree. We'll wrap the trunk of the tree up about, as long as the branches leave there, we can start there, it's about 12 feet up. It'll just look real pretty up there. Is something we might be interested in?
What are we looking at as far as now we start talking price? What is now? I would love
Bend this one down.
Bend it down?
Yep, and then pull this one over top of it. Yep, just like that.
Okay, just like that.
Just like so.
I got you.
Man, he changes colors on my TV all the time. We can hang maybe 4 or 5 of those up in the tree. We'll wrap the trunk of the tree up about, as long as the branches leave there, we can start there, it's about 12 feet.
Let you put it up there. Yeah, they love it too. Yeah, it lights up at night. Yeah, I run a cord right to it. No, same, whatever their house lights were is what I put it. C9.
What if that driveway's about 500
Right to the road.
Them high because he hates them. So that's how you get rid of not doing trees. So, and if you get them, then you're like, huh, that's really good that I made 10 grand off this, or I made $1,500 off this one tree, right? Or 2 grand off this one tree that ended up taking me 2 or 3 hours because I hate pole work.